friends, कैसे हैं आप सब? I hope you people are doing well. So this is Renu saying welcomes you all to your own YouTube channel, The Braining. So in this video we are going to talk about the few tips which will be helpful for you to make your demo video more effective for the team you are making, and I'm going to share these all tips on my experience only, so it will be helpful for you. And before moving towards that, I just request you, if you are new to my channel, just subscribe to my channel. And now we can talk about the tips which will be helpful for you. So firstly, whenever you are going to make a demo, so always prefer a good device which is having a good camera quality, so you will appear good on that. And make a demo video in which you are visible and your slides and the teaching aid which you are going to use is clearly visible to the team for whom you are going to send. Okay, and next thing, just for female candidate, what they can do, they can apply a light makeup, so ज़्यादा simple भी नहीं लगेंगे और ज़्यादा extra भी नहीं लगे, और just tie your hair and comb your hair nicely. And man can prefer a formal wear obviously, and with a good hair combing, so this can be preferred by the mans. So this will be for your personality looking. Okay, next, the topic which you are going to introduce, before that just greet your viewers and just say some words for the introduction as well. After then, just move to your topic which you are going to teach and what is the importance of that topic with the content and the subtopics you are going to teach. Like in the any topic you are going to teach, so it must have some of the subtopics inside it. So you have to mention these topic on the starting only, is that these topic we are going to cover in this video or the lecture, we can say. Okay, so then move to your topic by relating it to the real life. Then you can start with your flow of the, there should be a flow of the topics, and in each and every topic and definition you need to give the exemplaries which are related to the daily life. So they, like by assuming the student in that condition that he or she can relate the topic with his daily life, so it will be approachable for them and it will be counted as a positive point for you by the team who is going to assess you. Okay, so this will be the next main content part. And after, when you are going towards the end, just summarize all the things which you have taught during that video, and by giving short description of each and every topic, subtopic in that. So your ending must be like this. You are going to summarize all the points with the short note that I hope all the things which I have been taught to you are clear to you, and these all topics you are going to explore and relate in your daily life, like this. After that, just give them a bye note like we will meet soon and all like that. So your structure of the demo will be like this. So use a good communication, be confident, good attire should be there, you should look presentable over there, and the topic you are taking, it should be clear with the great examples which are common example the student can easily relate. So this is how you can make your demo video more effective. So the main thing, you have to pay attention to your language you are going to use and the confidence level of yourself. Okay, so this is the few tips I have to share with you, so you can use them to make your demo video more presentable, so you will be selected. So this is all about today's video. Tell me in my comment section that how my video will be helpful for you. If you find it helpful, so like my video, and if you're new to my channel, just subscribe to my channel. And thank you for watching. Bye.